encourage, enlighten, and inspire. So if you're ready for it, stay tuned. Hey y'all, this is my friend ℕ𝕼𝕼𝕼. He's the best right here. And he got the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Yes.
Rose gold. How much was the phone, Drew?
$1,400.
$1,400.
$1,400.
I would never, but I'm not him. So, in this video, we're gonna do an unboxing and show you, guys, like what it looks like. Is it even worth the $1,400? Who would you say?
I would say it is. Definitely
no, it's
is.
not. Well, anyway. Nice, beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. So we just get the phone. Look at that thing. Look how huge that is.
Look at it. Enjoy it.
Gorgeous.
$1,400.
$1,400. You know, that's 3 months of rent right there. 2 car payments.
Mortgage.
Mortgage for a home. Looks nice. Okay. And that right there, the 3 cameras. That's the rose gold color. What other colors do they have?
They have midnight green. They have space gray. And what's the other color?
Like silver or something?
Silver, yeah. Like a silver or some sort.
Okay.
But yes, my mother has the midnight green.
Shoot, him and his mama got a phone. Look at it. Big ballin'.
You know.
Love to see it. Black excellence. All right. So what else is in the box?
Okay. That's the phone.
Okay.
And so now
really
we have.
goodies.
This is just like the little informational thing that Apple gives you.
The
headphones, the regular headphones, you know.
And don't you already have a pair of those?
I do.
Don't you have a pair of AirPods?
What does she get? AirPods?
AirPods?
Oh, Apple Watch?
Apple Watch?
Do we speak broke? We don't.
No, we don't speak broke. What is broke? I can't understand.
Okay. And the base is bigger, as you can tell.
And it has a little thing. Or like the little hole is smaller.
Oh, the phone charger itself is like smaller right here.
Yeah, interesting. Is it the exact same? I don't know. So like the different ports are like different.
Yeah.
If y'all can see that.
Can they?
I think you can kind of see that.
Yeah.
Wait, let me focus. Okay. All right, yeah, y'all can see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess it's like the new MacBooks that they have. They have chargers.
They just want you to spend money on a new charger. That's it.
Yep. You know it.
All right, is that all that comes in the box?
Yes, it is all in the box.
All right. Now that y'all seen the unboxing, we're gonna give y'all our first impressions and initial thoughts.
Let's get it.
Let's get it, baby!
So the home button is
the power button.
The power button, not the home button. Sorry.
Come on now, you ain't got the home button. You too big for a home button.
Home button anymore,
too
sorry.
bougie for a home button.
But yes, the lock button is longer than my 8 Plus was, and Nielsen has hers, so
yeah,
we can show you later on.
Do a comparison.
Yes.
Ooh. Okay.
But this is turning it on. Takes a while. It's okay.
Takes a while. For $1,400, I think should be like that. That's how fast it should turn on.
Come on, Apple, get it together.
Get it together.
So it's turning on.
All right, taking this sweet Mary time.
That 3 camera in the back.
Facts. How do y'all feel about the 3 cameras? I mean, because I don't hate it, but I don't love it either.
Yeah. If you see what the 3 cameras can do.
Ooh, what can the 3 cameras do?
I'll let you know, sis.
We'll let y'all know.
But okay, here is it turned on.
Who is that in his homepage? If you know, comment down below right now.
Right now.
All right. It is ℕ𝕼𝕼𝕼! Yes! Natty champs, baby! Natty champs!
The coach of our football team. You already know how we feel about Dabo. So much love for that man.
So much love.
So much love.
So much love. He's gonna take us again this year. Y'all gonna watch. And when we go to the national championships this year, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna take y'all with me.
Yes, where it's gonna be? New Orleans.
New Orleans, that's not even that far. You know, we can whip real quick to New Orleans.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, so we gotta unlock it.
Okay.
Should I
Yeah, you should show me.
Okay, show y'all.
Okay.
I won't see y'all in real life, so y'all can see my password. My birthday.
No.
My birthday.
All right, now you can just know all his information.
All right, and so we done unlocked it. I showed you my password. It doesn't matter. So this is the Face ID thingy. So I just hold it up to my face. It's now unlocked, as you can see. This is the camera right here. Come on, baby.
You struggling?
I was struggling.
Okay.
That's the camera right there on Miss Grant.
Nice.
And this is the flash. Is the flash on?
No, it's not.
No, the flash is not on.
You don't even know how to work your own damn phone.
I don't even know how to work this new phone. I don't even know how to work it.
Let's do it, man. Let's do it, man.
That's okay. All right, and so now we will unlock it.
Okay.
Ignore that. Okay, and like it's just like a regular iPhone. You know, like your phone right there, your Safari, your music, your messages. Do not disturb. Camera on my screen, it's right there. Video, slow-mo, time-lapse, that thing. Portrait mode.
Ooh, how is the portrait mode? I bet it's really good.
If it'll load.
It won't load?
Nope.
Your phone acted up.
Fifth, brand new, the glitches. Glitches already.
You're gonna have to go ahead and
All right.
update.
Right there, and then the panoramic.
Okay. And we're gonna do like side-by-side comparisons because I have an iPhone 8 Plus and like he has like the brand new phone, so we'll just see like the differences.
Okay, yes.
But yeah, I mean, I guess that's like basically it.
Yeah, there's like different features in the camera. My friend has like the XS Max, and I don't really see a big difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna insert the photos, like differences, and then we'll be right back to give you guys our final thoughts.
Yes.
All right, so as y'all can obviously see, the iPhone 11 Pro Max camera is way better than my camera.
Way.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all got me there, okay? But just there. But yeah.
Okay.
So final thoughts, what do you think? Because you've had the phone for like a couple days.
I love it. I honestly miss my home button, but the camera's better. It's a lot faster than my old phone was. And yeah, it was a great purchase.
A great purchase.
It was a great purchase.
All right, so this is what the people want to know. Is it worth it? So say you have like an iPhone 8 like me, is it worth the upgrade?
It's worth the upgrade. I had the 8, and I can honestly say it is worth the upgrade. It's worth it. And even if you upgrade, you can get some of the money from trading in your 8, so it's not even as expensive.
Okay, so how much is it if you bring in your old phone?
I brought in my 8, so it was $949, so basically $1,000. So that's not too bad.
Oh, that's not too bad? No, he got money, so that's not too bad. But if you like me, and you know, you press for coins for the moment, I mean, I don't think it's worth it. But
yes, you should. Everyone go ahead and go out and get it. Go get it.
all right, well, you have it here, folks. You heard it first. iPhone 11 Pro Max.
It is the move.
It's the move.
It's the move.
Y'all go ahead and purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.